KAAC clarifies no land lease to Patanjali for all palm plantation in Karbi Anglong. KAAC's top official Taro has clarified that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC has not provided any land lease to Patanjali, nor has the company requested land for all palm plantation. The clarification came during a press briefing on Wednesday, addressing rumors circulated by various opposition leaders. However, Dilip Terang, Joint Secretary in charge of Agriculture, confirmed that no objection certificates (NOCs) were issued for the National Mission of Edible Oil Oil Palm NMEO-OP for the oil palm project. The NOC was granted to support interested farmers in rural development upgradation initiatives. For the project implementation, a dedicated project management team has been established under the chairmanship of the Principal Secretary, KAAC, to oversee the oil palm cultivation initiative with implementing partners Patanjali and Godrej. The project has selected 1,413 beneficiaries for the program. 1,764 hectares of land have been approved for cultivation. 1,235 hectares have been planted so far. Karbi Anglong Agriculture Development Officer ADO highlighted that the scheme will provide comprehensive support to participating farmers with 143 free saplings provided per hectare with maintenance. Rupees 6,250 will be disbursed for per hectare annually for 3 years.